bagels baking, guys. So excited. We've got Keto Bagels. And you know what? The story behind this is we have been requested for over 2 years for keto bagels through KetoBakes. And it has just eluded me, honestly. We have wonderful bread recipes, but to make that nice chewy bagel, I was like, we got to spend some time on this. So we've got plain bagels for you. You can add your toppings. These are gluten-free, they are wheat-free, they are dairy-free. I scoured the internet trying to find a bagel recipe that didn't have Fathead dough, didn't have tons of mozzarella or any mozzarella. And almost all of them had Fathead dough, and they're like, look at these, they're beautiful. Well, I don't want all that cheese on a regular basis in my life. So we've come up with a dairy-free, zero net carb, chewy keto bagel with no gluten. How do you do that? It's a miracle. So I hope that you give these a try. They're absolutely delicious, and we're so thankful for you guys.